Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's do a sequence to tone the belly and the legs. Let's go to the back end of the mat and stand straight. First, we will do some toe lifts just to bring a sense of balance and firmness in the entire body. So lift your toes, stretch your toes out and bring them back. Let's do it 2 to 3 times and you will feel a difference in the way you stand when you bring your toes back down. From here, inhale, arms up. As you exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. And from here, walk your hands forward, coming into a plank pose. Walk your hands back to your feet. Inhale and rise. Exhale, arms down. Inhale up. Exhale, fold forward. Walk your hands out. Coming into plank. Hands coming back to your feet. And we will do this one more time. Inhale, rise. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale to Uttanasana. This is the third forward fold. So this time we are going to walk our hands out and bring it back 3 times. Walking your hands out, coming into the plank pose. Bringing your hands back to the feet. Walking your hands out, coming into the plank. Inhale, you rise. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to Uttanasana. This is the fourth forward fold. So we will walk our hands out, hold the plank and bring the hands back to the feet 4 times. Walking the hands out the second time, holding the plank, hands back to the feet. Third time, walking the hands out, holding the plank, hands back to the feet. Fourth, walking the hands out, holding the plank, hands back to the feet. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Fifth round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Walk your hands out. You know it. This time we will do it 5 times. Walking your hands out, coming into plank. Hands back to your feet. Third round, walking your hands out. Coming into plank. Hands back to your feet. Walking your hands out, coming into plank. Hands back to your feet. Final round, walking your hands out, coming into plank. Holding the plank a little longer and then walking your hands back to your feet. Inhale and rise all the way up. Exhale, relax. Now move to the middle of the mat. From here, we will come into Balasan, the child's pose. And from child's pose, we will come onto our all fours. So inhale, come onto your hands and knees. As you exhale, go halfway back to child's pose. We will do this 2 to 3 times. As we inhale, we come onto the all fours. As we exhale, we go halfway back to the child's pose and then relax all the way down. Now from here, on our hands and knees one more time, we are going to stretch our right leg out onto the right side and lift your right foot off the mat. You can either keep your right foot flexed or you can rotate the ankle. If you are rotating, make sure that you are doing it in both the directions. Nicely done. Now rest your right leg down and we will do the same with the left leg. Stretching the left leg out to the left side, lifting it off the ground. You can either keep your left foot flexed or you can do the ankle rotations, completely your choice. Bringing it back down. And from here, coming into the plank pose. And from plank pose, we are going to bring our knee to the elbow like this. So let's do it. Keep breathing. So we are bending one knee at a time and trying to bring it as close to the elbow of the same side. Maintaining a straight back. Coming out of it. Taking a moment in Balasan. Okay, coming out of it. And now we will be lying on the mat with your knees bent. Okay, so the knees are bent, your thighs are parallel, bringing your heels as close to the hips as possible. Raise your left leg, your sole facing the ceiling, and lift yourself up. We are doing one-legged bridge. Inhale, rise, exhale back. Keep breathing through your nostrils. The left leg is lifted up. Bring it down now. We will switch the side now. Raising the right leg up. Inhale, lift yourself up and bridge, and when you come down, you exhale. One-legged bridge. Breathing through the nostrils throughout the sequence. And focusing on the core muscles and the lower body throughout your sequence. The right leg is down now. Now we are going to drop the knees out to the sides, bringing the soles of the feet together. It's a good stretch for your inner thighs. Now the arms are straight above the head, interlocking the fingers and stretching the arms and upper body. Exhale, relax. Bring your knees together. Lift your lower legs off the mat, keeping them parallel to the ground. Inhale and you lift yourself up in Naukasana. As you inhale, you straighten your legs. Exhale, go back down. Inhale to Naukasana with your legs stretched out. Exhale, you come down and bend your knees. The strength is coming from your abdominal muscles. Remember, as you inhale and come up, you straighten your legs. As you exhale, you go down and you bend your knees. Nicely done. Now hold your knees closer to your body. Just a loose hold for now. Now take a deep exhalation, hold onto your feet and bring your nose to the knees. Hold your breath for as long as it's comfortable for you. You can come back to normal breathing whenever you want to. Gently coming out of this asana and energetically pulling yourself up into a seated position. And with this, we are done with our sequence. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.